99% of the people don't know that doing strict, rigorous, strenuous exercises to lose your belly fat will have no effect. What will impact is consistency and persistency. For that, you have to condition your mind, and your mind will only say yes if you give it easy, effective, doable belly fat exercises, which I bring to you today. If you weigh more than 70 kgs and you have a big belly, then you can also impact your knees while doing rigorous and very strict exercises. So I bring to you very easy, beginner friendly, doable, effective exercises which you can do to reduce your belly fat, get a slim waist just sitting on a chair. Proof of the pudding lies in my very waistline. I used to be a 44 inches waist size, but now it is 28 inches. And trust me, I've never been to the gym, never used any equipment. Only thing I've done is my very own home workouts, which I did on every single day, even twice a day, to achieve these results. And trust me, these exercises are so easy. You can even do it while watching your favorite TV show, while sitting on the couch, and I'm sure you have a chair at home too. So what are we waiting for? Let's begin these super easy exercises. Let's begin with the first exercise, which is going to be more of a warm-up. For this exercise, all you need to do is put your arms like this behind your head, lock your palms together, and try and raise your leg one at a time, like this, and move sideways. Now over to your next exercise. Let me show you exercise number 2. Now over to your next exercise. The third exercise is a super easy and simple one. Now over to your next exercise. exercise. Oh my god, this super easy fun chair workout. I'm sure it did it for me, must be doing it for you too. But you must be careful to do it on an empty stomach first thing in the morning if possible. If not, then keep a gap of at least 2 hours between your meal and this exercise. It's actually targeting your abs, so your stomach should be empty. And if you want to get even faster results, do it one time in the evening too. And if you're looking to join a paid weight loss program, then you can just click on the link given below in the description and join my weight loss program, wherein you will be getting a customized, tailor-made diet plan according to your needs, your preferences, your likes and dislikes. To transform you into a slim version of yourself, we will leave no stone unturned. Along with you, we will get a full team to work along, a doctor, dietitian and a health counselor along with me. What more do you want? Now get ready to transform yourself. Just click on the link given below in the description and you can contact me. Join my weight loss program. I promise you, you will be the best version of yourself. I'll see you soon again next week with many more exciting videos. Until then, take care.